How to install sprockets on Enviolo hubs. Clamp the wheel in a vise with the left side axle flats. The flat sprockets 17 teeth and bigger are assembled with the sprocket first, followed by the 2 mm spacer and secured with the snap ring. The 16 teeth sprocket comes with two 1 mm spacers. Place one below the sprocket and one on top, then secure it with the snap ring. The gate sprocket assembly is the easiest when using the gate's Surefit assembly tool. If done without the tool, wiggle the sprocket on by hand, make sure it is fully seated and secure it with the snap ring. Place the sprocket onto the hub, place the tool over the sprocket with the arms situated in the gaps and hit it firmly to make sure it is fully seated. Secure it with the snap ring. Now, you're all set.